Hello, this is Scott Finney with Drop the Strap Marketing. Today we are showing how to post on Google My Business. A Google My Business post works much like other social media posts, but there are some extra little things to be aware of and to know, and that's why I'm making this video. So I'm logged into my Google My Business account. We're under the Drop the Strap Marketing Memphis location. There is a new, I published a new video on the channel, which is how to reply to a Google review on your Google My Business and why. So this page here, this dropstrap.com/Google-my-business/ how to reply to a Google reviews, is new on the website. I want to make sure I announce it on my Google My Business page, and so that this is what we're sharing. Now, I have the text already over here, pulled some text from the page, and I want to point out that I am adding or including the name, address, and phone number. Phone number should be in there as well. For this post, because these posts are indexed by Google, so you want to get that in there. We'll go over to post here. Call today. All right. And let's come back to post. For this one, we're just going to do an update. There are different types of posts, and if you select these different types, like say events, you'll notice your fields change down here based off of what type. Today, we're just doing a new update. So let's come in here, select an image. Yesterday, I made some YouTube thumbnails. I'll just use that. All right, now you see this is cutting off the end over there. Although I know y'all want to see my face, you also want to ensure you get all the text, all the important text inside the image as well. So let's do that, and maybe they'll let me sneak my face on there. See where that crops it. There we go. They've increased the size that we've been able to use here. All right, we're going to make a button, learn more. And when you select that you're going to add a button, it gives you the ability to put a URL. For this, I'm going to use the URL of our post that we're sharing. And then I'll come over here and grab all this text, copy. Notice I'm including the phone number, name, address, and I'm also including the URL that is a button down there, but also into the text. So let's do, got SEO consultant in there, need online marketing services, and let's just go ahead and publish this. So there you go. Notice I'm getting the wording in there and getting it in the text as well, and the URL. See, the URL is clickable, name, address, phone, learn more button goes. You can share this post. Let's just copy that link, and then I'll go out and put this in my buffer so that it'll post out tomorrow on all my social channels. All right, again, I'm Scott Finney with Drop the Strap Marketing. If you learned something here, I'd love a Google review. Head on over to search Google for Drop the Strap or Google Maps. You'll find I have 2 locations in the Memphis area. Provide services nationwide and globally. So, feel free to reach out about your project. But if you leave a review, I would very much appreciate it, and that will get me to make more content like this. Thanks a lot, and talk to you soon.